welcome back to my channel. So we are going right now. It's kati baje?
6:45.
Right now it's 6:45 in the evening. So we are going to pick up my brother from the airport and also my cousin. Rati bhayera ta kehi dekhena. Hey guys, so as I was saying, we are going to pick up our siblings from the airport. So now we are going. कति बजी ल्यान्ड हुन्छ अरे मम्मी 8 बजी 9 बजीहरूतिर है. So yeah, they will be there at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or something. So when we are going there, it's a situation where like we were deciding on booking an Uber, but like pura expensive race hai na, like it was 800 900 or something. So we'll just catch a bus and go there and pick up. I'll see you in a bit.
ठीक है भैया याद गरे ल
We are finally here. It's a beautiful मजा आएको देख्दा ऐसा night life. So my brother called us and like 10 minutes ago and saying land भयो भनेर हैन. So we just have to see where are they. कति बजे अहिले?
9:10
I don't even wear my watch, so I just ask her where are they. अस्ति म आएको त कता पो त्यहाँकै हो. म त बिर्सेँ. We have to cross. Oh, we are finally here. I'm so excited. Like, journey. I'm seeing like after 2 months ko baad. So yeah. Where are they? Oh, niskek China la. I don't know where are they. They should be here by now. Wait.
Oh
They are here.
बिमार भयो अरे यो त बिसन्चो हामी आउन चाहिँ आन्सर पऱ्यो कि बिसन्चो भयो भने जस्तो 5 बजीदेखि निस्केको होला दुईजना हो ड्रेम भुर्सेकोमा ल्याउनु जानु भएछ दुईजना रेमुन्डुकम गएर यसलाई ठुलो गरेर मलाई ठुलो गरेर हो सुगर आउँछ भनेर चाहिँ डर लाग्यो नि त भन्यो भने त त्यहाँदेखि के बाटोबाट जाँदा तपाईँ हो
They don't even miss me. I'm just left out. So now we are going home. Well, I make YouTube videos.
आइपुग्यो है बेङ्गलोर आइपुग्यो
आइपुग्यो हामी.
निक्लेर पनि
होइन हामी कहाँ पो राख्छु भने अघि त्यो
उतापट्टि राख्छ भन्ने थियो. So yeah, we are going home now. So now we are going for an interview. I have an interview at like 11:30. It's I don't know, it's 10:30 here, so I have to reach there at 11:30, and I'm just waiting for my Uber right now. Arrive in any minute now. So yeah, we are going for an interview. So yeah, we are in an interview subject. Roll. So before going to the mall, I want to talk about some interview stuffs I have been to lately, so that it can help you in your future interviews and for the freshers, mainly for the freshers, because I'm a fresher and I have been to many interviews. So let's talk about it. First thing first, don't get nervous. You can't afford to get nervous because जति तिमीहरूलाई डर लाग्छ हैन त्यति उयो हुन्छ के भन्छ जति तिमीहरू नर्भस हुन्छ त्यति डर लाग्छ and you can't just talk normally. Nervous हुँदाखेरि you can't talk normally. Like for myself, when I get nervous हुन्छ नि I just blabber, I just ramble a lot, I just laugh a lot. So त्यस्तो, to avoid that, don't get nervous. The second thing is don't just sit idle in a one place. Just talk to other people, because people will be observing you. You know, if you get high, you won't be hired if like you just fidget a lot, just sit idle in a place, just look around. No, you can't afford to do that. Just talk to other people. And yeah, third thing is communication. Communication is the best way to loosen yourself from yourself. हुन्छ नि, like आफ्नै भित्रबाट अब हाम्रो कति उयो हुन्छ नेगेटिभ र पोजिटिभ थट्सहरू हुन्छ हैन. So to avoid the negative thoughts, you just have to communicate with other people, because अरू पिपलहरू पनि नर्भस भइरहेको हुन्छ हैन. So yeah, just talk to them. And last thing is just be yourself. Don't get nervous. Just be yourself हुन्छ नि. Just give a pep talk to yourself that you can do it, and you are confident that you can do it and you will be hired. त्यति भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ you अब like आफूलाई काम हुन्छ. Not that you will be hired, अब त्यति भनेर खाली हायर त हुँदैन हैन, but at least it will free your mind from negativity, other things. And last thing I want to talk about is don't talk down to yourself. अब हुन्छ नि I can't do this, यस्तो गर्नु सक्दिन म, उस्तो गर्नु सक्दिन. Don't talk down to yourself. You can do it. You're confident. You're just nervous because you're new to the environment. You're just environment new भएर नयाँ companies, नयाँ ठुलो के नयाँ मान्छे हो त्यस्तो भएर खाली त्यस्तो भएको हैन. So don't get nervous, don't sit idle, talk to them हैन, talk to other people, communication हैन. And last thing is just be yourself. And okay, not the last thing, but again the last thing is just don't talk down to yourself. You can do it. You just have to overcome the nervousness. That's it. So you'll be hired. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. How to like हुन्छ नि यस्तो dress गर्नु, like I'm just dressed in an informal way हुन्छ नि. Like यता त कुर्ताहरू लाउँदो रहेछ इन्टरभ्यूहरूतिर हैन, बट अब मेरो त कुर्तामा पनि जुत्तै थिएन. So I can't just wear kurta. So I'm just in my Converse and my jeans, t-shirt. I'm in an informal way dressed. So our Uber is here. So bye. Morning guys, it's another day. So yesterday I went to an interview. Yeah, I went to an interview, but I didn't ace it हुन्छ नि. Like, but I'm not upset about it because I got something from that, like experience and experience at the bio. So I'm not upset, and also it taught me that I'm really not into that field. So yeah. So moving on to that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. It's always about subscribe. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Go check it out, my previous videos. And so yeah, I'll see you in my next video vlog. Peace.